name is Miss Adriana, and I am the Folklorico teacher for ICES Education in the city of Hawthorne. So today we're going to go over a few steps that some of the kids already know, but we still have to review since we are on this little break at the moment. We're going to go over our steps for Guerrero, Veracruz, and Jalisco. So just very basic steps, so hopefully you remember. And for those of you that are new and are going to learn, well, you're more than welcome to join us and to learn. You could have your family with you and, just follow along. So we're going to start. I'm going to start with my left foot, but you at home start with your right. Okay? So I'm mirroring you. So it's like if you were at a dance studio and you had a mirror in front of you, that's what it is. So I'm like your reflection. So here we go. You start with your right foot, and you're going to give me 2 stomps, all flat. You start 1, 2, then bring it back and give me 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should end with your left foot. Okay, let's try that again. So you do 1, 2, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to show you from the side. You do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now from the back, so you get a view. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Okay. So now try it with me. We're going to do it very, very slowly, and then we're going to build it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try it again, and let's try just a little bit faster. I want to do 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes a little bit of time to get it, but it's fast. It's fast, and you have to count in your head. Make sure you do the 1, 2, and then count again with the same right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Let's try it with the song. Here we go. Listen. And. Alright. So that last one, I cut it just so I could run and stop the music, but you have to follow through. You have to keep the 6 counts. So this basic step is throughout the entire song. And of course we do other movements with it, but what I'm trying to focus on right now is getting the footwork done. So that when I see you guys, you already have the footwork, and I just have to teach you body movement, movement of the arm, if you're wearing a skirt, movement of the skirt, things like that. Okay, we're going to move on to our next region, which is Veracruz. This next step, a lot of you already know it, some of you are still working on it, and that's why we're going to break it down again. This is called carretilla. So you're going to do, it's a double hit on each foot. So let's say at home, you're starting on your right foot. I'm going to start with my left here. So we're mirroring. So we do 1, 2, 1, 2. Now what you want to do, always have your knees bending. This is what we call molleo, and I always tell the kids molleo because you have to be making sure your knees are doing sort of like a plie kind of thing, because your knees have to be flexible. You cannot do this stuff like this. That's a big no-no. You have to keep the knees bent like this. Okay? So give me 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're just shifting the weight over. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. And we're going to try to speed it up. Okay, so if you're at home, it's perfect. You can practice all around your living room, or you can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes? Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like at full speed. Okay, so this is what eventually it needs to sound like. Yes? Okay, so if you're at home, try that. That is called carretilla. And all you're doing is 2 on each foot. Yes? And it's all flat. Okay, So we use carretilla not only in Veracruz, but also we use that step in Jalisco, in the region, the state of Jalisco. So that's why it's very important for you to learn how to master that step. So the next step for Veracruz that we're going to practice, I was working on this with my kids, it's called the brush step. It's a brush, brush, brush. Yeah, so this is how we do the brush. So you at home start with your right. I'm starting with my left, and I'm gonna bring the right foot out. Yes, bring it out again. So you bring it out like this. I'm gonna show you from the side. You're gonna kind of fall into the step. Yeah, like a fall. So just practicing this at home. Yeah. So after we do that, we switch it. So let me think. Here I go. Right, left, right, left. Yes. So you do right, left, right, left. Now that's called the brush that I'm doing. It's quick. It's right, left, right, left. Brush, brush. You kind of hear it. You hear the brush, 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 brush. Yes. So we have to master that one as well. Some of my kids in class, when we go across the room back and forth and we're practicing this, if you overthink it, that's when it gets difficult. So don't overthink, just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect yet, but I know you're gonna get it. So just practice, and this is called the cepillado, the brush step, okay? So this one is called el guachapeado, and it's very common in Veracruz. So what you have to do is, let me do it from the side. So you bring your right foot up, and you're going to do like a brush this way, kind of like if you're on a skateboard and you're trying to pedal and push yourself. So you bring it, and it's like you bring it around and you brush it out, and you hold your metatarsal and you stop. So we got to work on that one. That one's going to be a little more intricate, but I know you can do it. Here we go. So bring it out, brush, metatarsal, stop. Around, brush, metatarsal, stop. Around, brush, metatarsal, stop. From the front. Here we go. Do you hear that? You have to hear each one of those now. Yeah? So you can always rewind this and see it in slow motion. Let me see if I can do it very, very slow. That's complicated, but let's try it. Let's try it this way. Yes, and once you do the stomp on the left side, you have to jump. Like, switch the foot, switch your weight. And now you're just going to do the same thing on the other foot. And once you're already stomped here, switch the weight. Whoa, just don't do that. When you do it fast, this is what it looks like. Yes? It's going to take time, but I know you guys can do it. So just practice, practice, practice. And rewind that so you get it. Okay? Now, let's move on to the last region. We are working on Zapateado de Tres in the state of Jalisco. So this one's important because it's used basically in every song in Jalisco. So you start with your left, I'm going to start with my right. Okay? So you're going to do a flat stomp with the left, bring up the right heel, and then while your heel is still up, give me another stomp with the left. Yeah? So you do stomp, heel, stomp. Now from the side, stomp, heel, stomp. Okay? That's very important that you keep that heel up. So that's basically all you do for that one. It's just stomp, heel, stomp. Now the heel that's up, you're going to bring that down to stomp. Now bring the other foot, heel, and So what do we need to remember? When the heel is up, you have to do that extra stomp. Stomp, heel, stomp. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and from the side. Yes? Okay. So all that is practice and remembering stomp, heel, stomp, stomp, heel, stomp, stomp, heel, stomp, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, stomp. I'm going to show you from this side as well. Stomp, heel, stomp, stomp, heel, stomp. On the other side. Stomp, heel, stomp, heel. Yes? Alright guys, I hope you really practice these. If you have any questions, write any comments down and I'll try to answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon.